Hello and welcome to Target Your Finances. My name is Joshua, and today I'll be walking you through when you should be considering a secured credit card. A good credit history helps if you want to get a school loan, buy a house, or rent a car. But you're not out of luck if you have had bad credit or not much of it. One thing that can help you build or fix your credit score is a secured credit card. So what's a secured credit card? Secured credit cards are a lot like regular credit cards in how they work. The biggest distinction is that when using a secured card, you pay a money deposit up front to guarantee your credit line. You can get a secured card based on your credit history, but you have to put down a security deposit for the credit line it gives you. This security deposit is a way for banks to make sure they can cover any purchases you make if you don't pay on time. With a secured credit card, it's just as important to pay on time each month as it is with a regular card. Remember that the card provider may retain your deposit if you don't pay your bills on time. A tool that can help you rebuild your credit. Before we continue, please give this video a like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for new personal finance videos. Thank you. If you have had bad credit, paying for your purchases with cash, prepaid cards, or debit cards won't help your score because the activity won't be reported to the major credit card bureaus. If you use a secured credit card the right way, it can show you your credit card issuer and credit agencies that you are a personally accountable consumer who knows how to use credit wisely. Pay off your entire balance each month before the due date to construct your credit and avoid paying interest. Who might want to get a secured card? If you don't have any credit history, a secured credit card may be a good way to start. A secured credit card can help you repair your credit if you have a low score that makes it hard for you to get an unsecured credit card or other loan. How does the secured credit card work? Most of the major banks and credit card companies give out secured cards. A secured card is like a credit card in that you have to apply for it. Once you're approved, you can use your secured card to do things like buy groceries or book a trip. These are common expenses that you can pay back right away. When can I get an unsecured credit card? Your credit score ought to go up over time if you utilize your card well. Once your score has gone up, you can do a number of things. You can keep your secured credit card, close it, or ask your credit card company about improving to an unsecured card, which may be more preferable for your credit rating than opening a new account. Thanks for watching.